In Lesson 2, we learned about diatonic chord substitution. We saw how certain chords within the key, diatonic chords, could be substituted for one another and take on each other's function, as long as they had two pitches in common. In this lesson, we are going to learn how chords outside the key, chromatic chords, can be used as substitute chords. A very common form of chromatic chord substitution is substitution using borrowed chords. Borrowed chords are chords taken from the parallel key. Parallel keys are keys that share the same root. For example, F major and F minor are parallel keys because they share the same root F. Here's a diagram showing all the chords from the parallel keys of C major, which has no sharps or flats, and C minor, which has three flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Chords that are directly above or below each other in the diagram can be easily substituted for one another or borrowed, since they share the same roots, and/or because they have 1 to 2 notes in common. It is important to note that the Roman numerals under the chords in the second line are how the chords are named when they are used in the key of C major, not how they are named in the key of C minor. For example, the 3 chord is called a flat 3 because its root has been flatted. In the key of C minor, this chord would simply be called 3. Borrowed chords that share the same Roman numeral name are able to share the same function. For example, a 4 chord from C minor could substitute for a 4 chord in C major, and it would continue to function as a 4, a predominant function. Listen to the following chord progression played first without the borrowed chord, and then with the borrowed chord. It is more common for a song in a major key to borrow chords from a minor key than a song in a minor key to borrow chords from a major key. This is because we have other forms of minor, such as the melodic minor scale, from which we can use pitches to create our chords. For example, with the pitches of the C melodic minor scale, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B, we can form all of the chords found in the C major scale, with the exception of the tonic chord, C, E, G. Here is an example of a chord progression in C minor that borrows the 1 chord from the parallel major, C major. When the expected minor tonic chord is changed to a major tonic chord, it is referred to as a Picardy third.